Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified as we upload one new recipe every day. Now, chicken is one protein that most of us enjoy, and we always look to making new dishes using chicken. So today I'm going to show you a lovely kebab using chicken legs, that is chicken Kalmi Kebab. So for the Kalmi Kebab, I have about 6 chicken legs here. First I'm going to prick it with a fork. Make sure you prick it on all sides. So the reason why we prick the chicken legs with the fork is to retain the shape of the legs, because if you cut it into slits, then it might not have the exact shape of the leg. The key to any kebab is to marinate the meats well. Squeeze the juice of 1 lemon. This is going to be your first marinade. Next, I'm going to add a little salt. Next, add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons chili powder. If you'd like it a little more spicy, you can add more chili powder. Make sure you rub all the chicken pieces with the first marinade. Let this marinate for about 15 minutes. For the second marinade, I'm going to dry roast a few spices, starting with some cinnamon, cloves and cardamom. 1/4 teaspoon whole peppercorns, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 10 cashew nuts and 1 tablespoon roasted chana dal. Roast the ingredients for about 5 minutes on medium flame. Make sure it's all roasted to a lovely golden color. Now turn off the stove, cool this, and now we're going to grind the ingredients together. So the ingredients have cooled down now. I'm going to first grind the dry ingredients. To this I'm just going to add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. I'm going to add the curd into the mixer and grind it all together. Pour the marinade into the chicken. Make sure all the pieces are coated. So after we've added the ingredients for the second marinade, close the bowl and refrigerate it for about 4 hours minimum and a maximum of about 8 to 12 hours. I'm going to cook the chicken legs in the pan. Now if you want to grill this, you can actually grill them. 2 teaspoons of oil and 1 teaspoon of ghee. So you can see the legs have been marinated well. They've been sitting for about 4 hours now. Now if you want to use all ghee, you can do that as well. You'll just enhance the flavors of the chicken kebab. Reduce the flame, gently place the legs into the pan. After 5 minutes, just flip the legs to the other side. You've got a nice lovely golden glaze here. The legs are a bit charred on one side. This whole cooking process has to be done on low flame. Pour a little bit of the marinade onto each of these legs. Cook the chicken for 25 to 30 minutes on low flame. After about 7 minutes, turn the legs to the other side. So the chicken has been cooking in the marinade. You can see how juicy they are, the legs. Gravy is nice, it's getting thick and dark. This has been cooking for about 15 minutes. So just continue to slow cook this till all the marinade, the masala is dry. So here is a great recipe for your chicken kebab craving. So do try and enjoy with your family and friends. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.